Hello, welcome to YouGotAGreatDeal.com. My name is Glenn Clegg, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to register for an account and create your first ad. So let me share my screen and we will get started. Okay, so here we are at our website, YouGotAGreatDeal.com. And as to register for an account, you can click on this Register Now button, or even click on the little man right here. So I'll go ahead and do that. It brings up a registration page, and I'm going to register for a new account. Put my name, email address, and I create a password. And it's okay if it's weak. I'm going to just go ahead and click on these. I've agreed to the privacy policy and terms and conditions. You can go ahead and take a look at them there if you like, which I'm sure you will. But just real quickly, there's that one. It opens up in a new tab, so I'm going to just close up that tab. Perhaps in the future we'll have a close out button here. But anyway, at this point, there's the terms and conditions. You can close that window out, come back here, and agree to those policies, and go ahead and hit register. All right. So once I've registered, you will get an email that says you've successfully registered and a link back to your dashboard here. But now you see, as a registered user, I have a dashboard. And it has information like your listings. We haven't created any listings yet. Favorites are when you're perusing the ads and you click on a favorite, it'll basically make a bookmark so you can save it. That's kind of nice. Under payment section, you haven't made any payments, so there's no account details. And more account details here. This is where you can include all your name in your account. So when we post an ad, it's actually going to draw from this. I'm going to go ahead and fill that out now. Walter Jones. Okay. Put my phone number in here so people can reach me. And my website. I'll put that in later. Okay, now locations. This is just a temporary working model right now, but we are going to incorporate Google Maps. So you enter your information in here and it will populate in Google Maps. Okay, I'll just put that information in there for now. Very good. Okay, so now I want to post an ad. So how do I do that? First, you go ahead and you can take a look at how it works page. And this kind of explains our philosophy here and the idea along with our advertising packages. As you can see, we're offering this free plan now that you will be actually purchasing to create an ad. But we have the silver plan, a gold plan, and a diamond plan. So let's go ahead. I want to go and build my first ad. So if I clicked on this, it's going to go ahead and say buy a membership. But coming from this page, if you click on the Buy It Now button, there's a couple of ways you can do this. It'll take you to the our membership package checkout flow, and you will select it here. You can also select other plans too. But this is where you're going to want to select the free offer to be part of this introductory plan and testing period. So make your selection and then choose your payment method of direct bank transfer. You won't be charged to your bank. We're not going to enter in account information, so don't worry about that. It's just going to go through our payments processing system. In the future, we will have credit card payments made through PayPal. All right, so I selected the direct payment transfer, proceed to payment, and we are good. It creates an invoice, which is just a fake invoice, a testing invoice, but it'll give you the information of your payment transaction. All right, so we'll go back to our listings page, which I don't have any yet. So now let's go ahead and create an ad. I come up to post your ad. I got my membership already. It says I've got 20 regular ads in my inventory. Now I'm going to select the ad type. So for the ad type, I'm going to build an ad for a furniture store for a friend. And I've got the information here. We're going to call this a special offer. The category is for the home. And the subcategory is furniture. All right, so this brings us up to our ad builder page. It's a really pretty simple interface to create your ad. And I'm going to show you a little tip here that I highly recommend you use this method before you build your ad. So as you can see here, I've got my Word document open where I've written the copy, the headline, and the addresses, email, phone numbers, everything you want, everything you can think of that you want to put in your ad. Create your Word document first. This will give you a record and something you'll be able to go in and edit and change or repeat if you need to. So it's a great idea. Have your Word document ready. Come over here. I've got my images ready to go. So I've got 3 images that I'm ready to load. Got my content here. And all I have to do now is cut and paste. And that's really the way you want to do it. You want to have your information ready to go rather than come on here and try to decide what headline to make or what do you want to say in your ad, because you'll spend a lot of time just kind of fussing over that. You don't want to do that. All right, so here's my headline. I'm going to just copy and paste into the title. Here's my headline. Pricing, I don't have a price in this offer, so I'm going to disable that. And the offer, this offer is going to be about bedroom sets, bedroom mattresses. Okay, so I've got that filled out, and now I can literally just copy all this information that I want to go in my ad right here. There we go. And with a little bit of editing, looks like I copied that over. Just use this editor to enhance your text in a little bit. It's nothing sophisticated. Just go ahead and select different kind of body weights there and make it bold. And there's more coding area there, but that looks good. And I have my information pasted in there for locations. Look at that, phone numbers, location addresses, and business owner, Brian Hogan, good guy. Here's his email address and his furniture website. Okay, the features list. These are just some things you want to include. Oops. And put a return to do the next one. Anything that you want to say here that are going to be bullet points. And if you don't do it return, it won't create a bullet. It'll be on the same line. So there you go. There's 3 bullets. We have the option to set your hours of your stores are open. So I'll just show you how to do that real quickly. It's already preset to 9 to 5, so that's pretty nice. Okay, and I'll just do a couple to show you. If you don't do them all, then it'll just only show you that they're open Monday and Tuesday. So make sure you go ahead and fill out the rest of the days and hours that you're open. All right, so now we're ready to load the images. And like I said, I have these images ready to go here on my hard drive in a folder. And if you look at this, I've actually created like a mini ad. Now I can actually drag these right here, drag the files right into this little space. There we go. You get that brown highlight, and that means it's loading. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and drop these in here. Pretty simple. And if you've noticed, I've done here is I've actually created little mini ads within the my images, rather than just putting in images of your food or your restaurant or something like that, your shop. Um, you know, you can create little ads right here too, that will you may even have used on another type of campaign. So just another way to make it simplified for you. All right, so on the address here, I'm going to take this first one, take all that information and put it right here. And the website, grab this website right there. And when you're prepared like this, it just makes this real easy to go. You just copy and paste in here. It's the really great way to do it. Okay, this is going to give you an idea. When we incorporate Google Maps, your location will be featured here on the map, so they can click on that when they're using their phone, get directions to your store, and come right to your door. How about that? All right, I've read the terms and conditions. I'm good. Look at it one more time. I do want to point out a couple important features before we leave this page, because we're really ready to publish. In the description, this area here is searchable. So make sure you put your keywords, important keywords here, so that they'll find you. If they're looking for a bedroom set, if they're looking for mattresses, if your special is in any of those furniture types, living room sets. You want to mention that here in your description. Your title is also searchable, so make sure your keyword is in your title. We're selling furniture or representing a furniture store, so perfect to have furniture store, because if a person's in somewhere in Dallas looking for furniture and they type in furniture as their search, then you're going to come up for sure, and it'll show Furniture One, your business, your location, everything. They'll find your ad, so it makes it quick. They're looking for furniture, your ad's popping up. All right, so we are ready to go ahead and publish it. And after we publish it, you can go back and edit it, make any corrections or changes. So that is nice. And we got a little acknowledgement there. The ad has been posted. So what's going to happen now is the ads must be approved by the admin. And once they are, they will be published. They will go live. And you will receive a notification by email that your ad has been published. And then you can go in and make edits if you need to. So here it took me back to my dashboard. It shows me my remaining ads and my information. Very good. I'll go back to my account and more information there and look at my listings now. And there it is. There's the listing. Even though it's not approved, we can kind of take a look at it. And as you can see, my little ads, how they look once you're on a desktop screen, they're pretty big and nice. And there's an offer there. Here's a picture of a nice living room set and mattress bases. So you can see with this one space, I've got 3 ads, really, 3 ads running. So that's the power of the information there, power of this platform to give you some extra selling fuel. All right, so here's our ad. Here's your information of your store, your phone number that they can click to call. They can email you. If you can turn these features on and off if you like. Here's the date of the ad, and it also shows you how many views you've gotten. There's your description. Make sure you kind of go through it again and just make sure it's right. You can also go back in, as long as that ad is running within those 7 days, go in and make changes. I also included email and website here. And by the way, these links back to your website is a good thing. These are incoming links to your website, which is good for SEO. Here's the hours. As you can see, I've only opened up those 2 days, so it's only going to show those 2 days as your business hours, and the rest are closed. So make sure you fill out your schedule. Here will be the Google Maps section. It'll show your location, and user could come in and click on your location and get directions right to your store. Here's the feedback area where customers come in and give you feedback on your business, and also some star ratings. So that's it. Uh, Pretty nice little package, and the ads turn out quite well. You can imagine this on your phone, how nice that would look, and that's where we got to sell them. We got to reach them on their phone. So that's the ad builder. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to build your ads for you. But thanks for watching our video, and tell all your friends about us. Let us know that there's great new platforms out there, and it's really designed for small business to promote their business and services at a very reasonable cost, and have a great breadth of reach for the value in the system. But yeah, the more people we can join the network, the better it is for everyone looking for a good value and looking for a great deal. Thank you very much for watching.